Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sad and today I'm gonna walking through this application, the Clubhouse application. It's a sort of a social media app, but it's only based on audio. So as we talked before and I mentioned on other videos and how you can use it and some stuff, today I'm gonna talking about how you can send an invitation link or you can get an invitation link from friends or whatever your community to install this application. So as we said that this application you can directly download it from the App Store as this application is just launched on iOS. So that's why I'm talking about App Stores, and you can directly download it from the web or Google or something else. So you need to get your invitation link with your own phone number. So you have to mention your phone number and you can get this invitation link. So as I will show you here, you can send invitation link from right here. You can see your contacts, you can see your phone contacts. Actually, it's all your phone contacts, so you can send them an invitation link or uh, simply just type invite or something, so they an invitation link like this. So this an invitation for my friend Anna. So I have an invite to Clubhouse and want you to join it. I added you using this number, so make sure to use that number when you register. Here is the link, so there you can register and you can download it directly. As my friend sent me the invitation link before and I was directly downloaded from this link right here. So it's easy. You can download it from the link that you have in the invitation. And one thing you have to make sure that you mention your own phone number to register, to be able to register to this application. Thank you very much, and see you soon about other videos in for this Clubhouse application. Stay tuned and bye.